Hello guys, today our friends of Qinkell have sent us this Roman bathtub faucet with sprayer. Let me unbox it for you guys. Let me show you what you get included. It comes with the instruction manual, which tells you everything that comes included, everything that you're gonna need, and how to get it installed. This set comes in oil bronze color. Okay, this is a very nice color, especially if you have like a white bathtub or white decoration. You can definitely do that. If you have black or even gray, it will definitely go very nice with this combination. Look at the details. You have this now for the cold and the hot water. You can actually notice the difference. On the top they have a blue and a red line, so that way you can actually see at the color of the lines, and you can know which one is a hot and which one is a cold. Again, the material and the connections, everything looks very high quality. Okay, I'm gonna place this right here, and finally we get the sprinkler right here. Let me show you. Okay, you will have to actually put this together. Okay, and this will be the sprinkler. This set will actually come with all the connections and all the hoses needed. Okay, you have the cold and the hot connection right here. You have this line, so that way you can connect from the faucet to your water line. You have this counterweight that you can connect to the sprayer hose. This is right here. I'll unbag it for you guys. You also have here this other part. So you will get this hose and put it through this part, and you will connect your sprayer just like this. Okay, now this component right here, this elbow, will actually allow you to actually turn this sprayer anyway, okay, without actually becoming detached. And this is gonna hold the sprayer just in this position. Okay, so you get everything included. Okay, now something that I want to also point out of this kit, okay, that I saw that it gets included. It gets included some gloves, okay, so that way you can handle your installation. That way you don't leave any fingerprints or scratches. And it has this tool that will allow you to just take off this sprayer part right here. And with this tool and the appropriate maintenance and cleaning, this faucet will actually last you longer. Well, I hope that the information about this Roman bathtub faucet with sprayer from our friends at Qinkell was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.